Welcome to the AI Prompting Bootcamp. Today we're covering the very basics of vague versus specific prompts. Let's go!
I just typed a cool car and got this generic blob. It's not cool at all.
That's because cool is subjective, Ken. The AI has to guess, and it usually guesses safely. You need to be specific.
She's right. Stop making the AI guess. Look at the difference when you provide details.
See? By adding details like futuristic, glowing blue, and near Tokyo, you guide the AI to your exact vision. Precision is your best tool. Now try it yourself.
Whoa, that's exactly what I pictured. The difference is night and day.
Lesson summary. Stop being vague. Be descriptive. Hit subscribe for lesson 2 where we tackle negative prompts.